morning guys. Tempo tayo. Let's go. Fartlek run, let's go. 15 minutes warm up tayo. 1K. Bakit na tayo ng pakbal guys. 2K. Patapos na yung 15 minutes warm up. Diretso na tayo sa fartlek run after. Let's go. 3K. 4K. Let's go. Hi guys, kinat short ko yung workout because my knees aren't feeling good. So almost 5 kilometers lang yung fartlek run natin. And I think mag-rest muna tayo. Hi guys, nakauwi na. Tinigil ko na yung run kanina kasi sumakit yung knees ko. We were almost at 5 kilometers. Ipahinga ko muna kasi I think nabigla yung legs ko sa sudden speed workout.